Hey guys, it's been a long time, but I'm finally uploading a video again. And today I'm going to be uploading the, let me get this, OLM third brake fog light. It goes right over here. I'm really excited. It's going to flash or whatnot when you press the brake pedal. Those will be solid, so it'll be pretty cool. I'm not sure if this thing also has the reverse light on it, but I guess I'll find out. I'm going to be installing this with my buddy Matt. And, oh look, there's a bit of dirt on there. Looks like I need to wipe it off. So yeah, I'm going to be installing with my buddy Matt. He's got a WRX, so we're going to do a group install. And stay tuned for that. Here we go. Hey guys, okay, so this is the light I got. Apparently it's different from the one Matt has, because looks like I have the reverse one, which means it lights up the white part in here, but the brake part is red. So it might look interesting. So we're gonna go ahead and install that. And here are the pieces, the harness, and that's Matt's really nice WRX over here. And then he's already got it hooked up down here. He's got the smoke part right here. I mean, it's the red part that's in here. Do you want to hit the brake, Matt? I can get it for you. And then you can see how it really looks nice. It's got like, he's just going to press the brake. And, oh, there it is. See how it's flashing red? He's got the Super Speed tails as well. And then it's solid again. Thanks, Matt. Yeah, so, well, we'll see how it goes. Okay. So we are trying to figure this out now. Hopefully my diffuser doesn't have to come off, but we'll see if it does. We'll try to work on it for now. Matt is trying to pull off the clips, right?
Just this clip here to get to the tail light.
Yeah.
That's where the harness is going to go plug into.
Yeah.
And there's a plug down
underneath this thing. You gotta remove this.
Which I could probably... Actually, I think I popped it out from the bottom when I did mine.
Okay.
So that's the access to your tail light. I mean, I can do this backwards.
Do you want to do the bottom? What's easier?
This one's better than the one I had.
Okay. Yeah. Apparently, I guess I got some. I guess with the version I got, it came with a different harness than Matt got. So, it should be interesting. So it just clips in.
Yeah. So these ones are.
Was that my old light? So my light fixture goes into that, right?
So this one, that's going to the car.
Yeah.
And then this one's gonna go into the tail light itself. That's easy.
Oh, so we don't have to crimp it like you did.
No.
That's what that was.
So if you don't get the harness, for this light,
yeah,
you'll have to crimp it. And you have to make sure you're getting into the correct one.
Oh.
I kind of fudged up a little bit.
Oh.
With the clip that I used, it didn't go all the way, so it didn't ground properly. Now it does. It works the way it's supposed to.
Okay.
So
we'd have to tighten it, or just it clips in, right?
Just clips right in. Just give it kind of like a little tug to make sure it doesn't come out.
Yeah.
So it's in the light. It's in the harness itself. And then this one here is going to go to the light, the F1 light.
Oh, the F1 light, yeah. Okay, I guess we'll take this off.
See.
Can you feel around there?
Let's see if I can get to the plug underneath. I think I can. Yeah, we'll take that.
Yeah, hopefully we can get around the diffuser.
The diffuser? I can... We'll see when I take the clips off.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. I'll put this over here. Okay, so that's again comes with the car. Yeah, same here. This one. So remember how I don't know if I told you I had the 2018 STI before.
Yeah.
And then Subaru bought it back, and then they gave me this one. So somehow this got worked into the deal. So I got this for free. So
I think they just leave it with the car now, I think.
Now they gave it the car, okay. Otherwise it was like, it's like $200 or $300 or something.
Okay, so there's a spacer, a washer.
Okay.
And,
do you want me to put it away, or you good with
I'll put it
keeping
with,
it there?
I'll put that on top of here.
Okay.
I'll leave it the way it is. It's always good to like kind of leave your hardware how it's supposed to be, so that we don't
mess it up. Yeah, or mix it up. Sorry.
Yeah. This should.
Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, the pop clips came off. Something fell down there, right?
Yeah, something's falling down there.
Should we get it? It fell into the thing. Okay.
Find it. So
I've got a light. I'll put a light on there.
Oh, so you have a wire going through that?
What's that for?
Good question.
Uh-oh. Well, is it pre-wiring for this? I don't know. I don't have anything else. It didn't change it for 2020, right? Shouldn't I?
We're about to find out.
Oh my god.
Because it's because you don't have sensors in the back.
No, it's nothing I did with the upgrades, right? Because there's no fuel lines or anything like that.
That's the factory. It's going from the factory harness back here. So. How the wires look on this one. Blue. Well, yeah, get down in there and find out.
Alright. Alright, looks like we're all good. Thanks, Matt. This looks great. And we're gonna see Matt soon too.